Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Mask Monday. I tilted the camera up a little bit so you could see my great ears. I love these ears. I have a pair in black and I have a pair in white, and they're just super cute cat ears, and they have jingles on them. I am going to do this mask today. This is Facetory Dream Garden Elderflower. And I have a few masks that are getting to where they're going to expire. So I would like to use them before that happens. So this is rejuvenating and illuminating, and I'll read you more about it once I get it on. It's 80% elderflower water. Okay, no harsh chemicals. Okay, I'm an affiliate for Facetory, so if you buy from them using my link, I'll get a few pennies. So this is just a real pretty mask. It has a very light scent to it, and it's very soothing, very relaxing. I haven't used a sheet mask from Facetory that I haven't liked. They're all nice. So, and it's nice and thick, and it's pretty. It has this nice design on it. And elderflower is a very soothing ingredient. I have used it for many years to soothe my skin. And I'm going to read to you what's on that package about elderflower. Now, the only thing is about masks when we're talking is this piece likes to aggravate. You know, when you mask, you really should, just lean back, maybe watch some TV, or, better yet, just take a little nap even with this on your face. This one is to stay on 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, okay. Sometimes they're a little bit longer. It's really saturating or saturated. This mask is very saturated. And like I said, it's pretty. So, let's see, I have this. I can try to, a lot of times it won't stay down, because I'm talking. Okay, so this mask says, look at how cute it is, a little girl. They have several Dream Garden masks, and this one, it says on the back, I think I ripped off some of it. Each Dream Garden mask has been infused with a unique flower, and see, they have several, and has different functions to revitalize and restore the skin for a dazzling complexion. In ancient lore, the elderflower tree is said to be inhabited by a motherly spirit who blesses people with its tree's flowers, bark, and berries. The elderflower tree itself symbolizes prosperity and vitality, and its flowers have been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. So, of course, you clean your face first and then apply the mask and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, it says. And let your skin soak in all the nutrients, and then remove the mask and pat in the remaining essence left on your skin. So, and of course it has, there was no artificial fragrance, it says. And it does say, if it irritates your skin, take it off, that kind of thing. It is no animal testing. It is cruelty-free, and it is made in Korea. And it's just nice, something different and nice. I haven't used I haven't used one of these Dream Garden ones in a little while, so I thought I would. So, how was your weekend, y'all? We've been having very spring-like weather. We haven't had winter weather, really. We've had cold nights. Not every night though, but and when I say cold, in the high 30s, in the low 40s. We haven't had a frost in at least a couple of weeks, and usually in the middle of April we have what's called blackberry winter, and we get a frost. But if that happened, I missed it. I don't think it happened. We did have frost on the roof maybe 3 weeks ago, maybe 4 weeks ago. Maybe that was blackberry winter. I think why it's called that because the blackberry bushes have already started flowering, and then they get bit by the frost, so that's why it's called that. And And then also here in the South, hey, it's May. I wanted to say that. It's May 1st. Today is May 1st. I can't believe it. How did this happen? We just were celebrating Christmas, y'all. I was doing so many videos during December. It just, time just goes by too fast. And it's May. And here in the South, they do what they call decoration. It's a very important family. I don't want to call it a holiday because it's really just, it depends on your church and your graveyards when they do it. Some people do decoration like the last weekend of April. Some do all the weekends in May. And a lot of them do like Mother's Day weekend. And decoration, it is you go to your family's grave site and you decorate the headstones. And they do really fancy, the big beautiful flower arrangements and all that. There's all kinds of places here that sell that kind of thing. And you buy the fake flowers because then they last for a long time. And then you go at a certain time when your cemetery tells you in the fall-ish time and take them down. And if they're still in good shape, you can use them the following year. But otherwise, you make more or you buy more flowers for your family's graves. And it's a big, big celebration. And, it's all involved with Memorial Day and just, remembering your ancestors. It's a really great holiday, actually. And then the families get together, usually on the weekend of their church's decoration, and they have big parties and they all bring food. And so it's a reunion. It's a family reunion as well as a remembrance of your elders that have passed or your family members that have passed. So it's a wonderful tradition. Just like a lot of things, traditions are dying out. It's sad to see. We were talking about that today at church, that young people don't seem to really want to do that. So, but it's a wonderful tradition, and it's, the family get together. I think it's so nice. Oops, I just hit the cord for my light plugs into the wall there. Anyway, I have a couple questions for y'all. Not much, but do y'all have green thumbs? Because I don't. I don't have any plants in my house. I used to have plants in my house years ago, and then I got a cat. And that sort of takes the cat. I had one cat that would dig the plant out and eat it, and it was a poisonous plant, so I had to get rid of the plant or the cat, and I got rid of the plant. And before that, though, I had other plants that I just love to have the plants. I love to have ivy draped around the windows. But the cats, they don't like, they like to aggravate plants, and they like to aggravate the dirt. I know some of y'all probably have a bunch of cats and never have any trouble with them, but mine have always caused trouble. So, but I do, I think I told y'all on, was it my Friday Night Gab or something, that I haven't put any flower pots out in a couple of years because I'm just so heartbroken over Buddy. It just, depression can really bring you down for doing things like that. But I think I might try to put some out this year, which would be like Mother's Day weekend. We'll see how it is. If it's 100 degrees already, I might not, because I don't like being out when it's that hot. But right now it's a beautiful spring, and if I was assured we weren't going to have another frost, I'd do it. But I have beautiful terracotta pots and glazed pots and things to do that with. And my yard, I recently had, it's a long story, y'all, but I had a guy that took care of my yard, and he took care, I have all around the house are flower beds and bushes, bulbs that come up every year, that kind of thing. And I have a couple of sheds, and they have bushes around them and all that. Well, he retired, and the kid that took over for him does a great job with mowing and weed eating, but he doesn't do the flower beds at all. And they got messed up and overgrown. So I had to have all that taken care of here recently. And so the guy cut everything back really, really low. So I don't know if my hydrangea, I don't think they're going to come back right now. I don't know when. I don't know. And my azaleas won't be. That's too late already for that. But hopefully next year everything will be back. Hopefully. And I did have some bulbs that still came up. But in the process of getting that all done, one of my sheds, the roof is shingle, and it had some damage to it that I couldn't see because of the brush. So I'm pretty sure that happened the same time as the storms that the wind storms that we had at Christmas time. So I've talked to my insurance, and I've talked to the guys that are fixing my house, and we're going to see about getting that fixed as well, and hooked into that whole thing. And hopefully they're coming on in the middle of May to do the inside of my house. They've been so busy with the outside stuff. They did get the outside done, so no more water coming in, but the inside needs to be done. And we've got that scheduled, and I hope they're going to be able to do it because, you know, it's got to get done. So it's just very discombobulating because, like, it's in a bedroom, and they want me to remove all the furniture from that bedroom. I can't do that. My house is too small to put everything elsewhere. So we've got it worked out how I'm going to do it. I'm going to have to take out some things and put them in my living room. Just let them sit in the living room. It'll be a mess for a few weeks, but it'll get done. So I'm happy about that. So anyway, when I do put those pots outside, you know, they do well because they're out in the sun. You know, that's not because of me. But I'll use Miracle Grow and stuff like that too to help along with that. And I do wish that spring would last longer. Spring has been really resistant to happening. We have had some spring weather since March, on and off. Spring, winter, 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 spring, like that, you know. It's now more spring-like, and I think it's going to stay that way. But it's going to go into summer. Usually in May, it starts right into hot summer. So that's, you know, starting now. So I don't know. It might get hot fast. And because the winter was so weird, do y'all wonder how your summer's going to be? I worry that it's going to be really horribly hot because we had a very odd winter. We had a horrible cold snap and that wind around Christmas. Other than that, it was a very mild winter. So what do y'all think? And I do want to also say, I just want to say, Gloria from Beauty Over 50 has announced that she's going to take a break for a little while. And she doesn't really say why. And I don't think she wants to talk about why, but she says she's going to be back, but she's taking a break. So I am just asking y'all to keep her and her family in your prayers. Just, you know, because she's a good lady, and, you know, even if she doesn't need prayers, I mean, even if it's not anything negative, it could just be that she's very busy. We all need prayers. You never not need prayers, in my opinion. Okay, so I'm just asking you that, okay? Smudge, you want to come and say hey? That's really all I got for y'all. I did want to remind you that, if you didn't see my live Saturday, it was a last-minute decision, but I had two giveaways to announce. The winners from my autism awareness collab. I announced that. If you haven't seen those videos from April, they were every Monday. There were about 6 channels every Monday. Go back and check them out. You can watch them anytime. You don't have to see them in April. And some of us had giveaways. Those are probably all about over or ending, but still, you'll learn some stuff from the autism collab. And then also my Temu Smudge. My Temu bandwagon collab ended on Saturday, and I announced the winner for that as well. So I do have my Treasure Trove giveaway is always going on, and then I also have the Whisk F giveaway going on, and I think that runs for another week already. I mean, and more than a week more, because I think I put it up last week during the week, so it was going to go for 2 weeks. So go check that out. That's always a fun one. And, you know, there's always things coming, so keep a lookout. And I'm so glad that you all are here. I really am. And I just feel very fortunate to be here with you guys. I love talking to you each and every day, and I love this wonderful community that I'm in. So thank you for being here, and y'all have a wonderful week. Take care of yourself a little bit. If you can't do it today, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. Take a few minutes to do a sheet mask, or if you prefer a mud mask or a peel off, something just to take care of yourself, just to have 15 to 20 minutes to yourself. So, okay, it's great if you can do it more than once a week. But if you can't, once a week, at least it's something for yourself, okay? Y'all take care. Count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye. Well, I probably should take this off, but I'm going to leave it on for a few more minutes, okay? Bye-bye, y'all. Take care.